Kullu Manali is one of the most beautiful tourist destinations in entire India. And what makes it more beautiful are the snow-clad peaks, gushing rivers and the dense deodar trees. Kullu Manali is the name of two different places which lie at a distance of 40 kilometers from each other. Manali town is located in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh and is known for its natural beauty, adventure activities and beautiful trekking destinations. So, if you are planning a trip to Kullu Manali and confused with places to visit, best time to visit and how to reach, then this video is surely for you. But before that, please subscribe to our channel. So, here is a list of few places which you should definitely visit on your next trip to Kullu Manali. Rohtang Pass is located at a distance of 50 kilometers from Manali town and is known for its snow caves and connects Kullu district with Lahaul Spiti. This high mountain pass is heaven for trekkers and snow lovers. When entire India suffers from scorching heat, this place can give you chill in your spines. The highway connecting Manali to Rohtang is considered as one of the most beautiful highways in entire India. So if you are planning a trip to Kullu Manali, then Rohtang Pass should always be on your wish list. Mall Road. Manali Mall Road is also called as Heart of Manali. Known for its street shopping adventure and eateries, this place is hub to lots of cafes and restaurants and can be a great place for shopping. Located within a range of 200 meters from city center, this beautiful Mall Road can become part of your eternal memories. Solang Valley. Solang Valley is located at a distance of 14 kilometers from Manali on the way to Rohtang Pass. It is famous for a number of sports activities like paragliding, skating, parachuting, zorbing, horse riding, ropeway or climbing. Skiing is offered during winters. The ambience of this place, away from the hustle bustle with picturesque view of snow-capped mountains, is just amazing. Parvati Valley. Parvati Valley is a mesmerizing valley in eastern Himalayas. Parvati Valley lies at a distance of 35 kilometers from Kullu town and is known for its unique and beautiful villages. One can explore places like Kasol, Tosh, Malana, Rasol, Khirganga, Grahan, Pulga, Manikaran and many more. These villages are so surreal and calm that one has to rub his or her eyes to believe that it actually exists. Every village in Parvati Valley has a unique story. Like Kasol is called Mini Israel, Malana Little Greece. So if you are planning a trip to Kullu Manali, then Parvati Valley should always be on your wish list. The list to visit places in Kullu Manali is very long. Hence we have compiled a list of few most beautiful places which you should definitely visit on your trip to Kullu Manali. Every time of the year is best time to visit Kullu Manali. In May and June, when entire India suffers from scorching heat, at that time Kullu Manali can give you chill in your spines, and if you are lucky enough you can even witness snow. In winters, beauty of this place doubles up. Snow-clad mountains, gushing Byas river and dense deodar trees will surely make your heart pound widely. Kullu Manali is very well connected with all mode of transportation. If one plans to travel by train, one can take a train till Jogindanagar, from where one can take a cab or bus till Manali. If one plans to travel by air, then one can take a flight from Delhi to Bhuntar airport, which lies at a distance of 50 kilometers from Manali. And if one plans to travel by road, then one can take an overnight bus or a cab from Delhi, and it will take only 12 hours to reach this beautiful heaven in the Himalayas. So, if you have liked our video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.